Hi there. I'm just going to quickly speak about transition. So transition is the movement from one place to another. Generally, educationally, we talk about transition from years or transition from key stages. The best way to manage transition is to work backwards in the sense of I'm in year one and okay, well, I'm in year one now. So if I was the reception teacher, what I would start doing is looking at where they need to be and then gearing them up for it. So in year one, we obviously do a lot more teach-led learning, teach-led input, teach-led activities, where in reception early it's all about free flow play or purposeful play. And what I would do as the reception teacher was, well, what I would do is get them ready for year one by doing a lot more table activities, carousel activities, possibly teach-led activities, just so they're ready for that transition. It's not a shock to their system. Um, and you could do that across all of the years. Look at what they need to do next year, and by the end of the term or the end of the year, slowly start building up to what it would be like in the next stage. Um, Alternatively, work backwards. So again, right now I'm training in year one. In the autumn, we had a lot of afternoon play and a lot of free flow activities in the sense of we're taking what they was doing in the previous year and bringing it into the new year. And again, if you're in year two, you bring in a little bit of year one. If you're in year three, you bring in a little bit of year two, etc., etc., etc. The reason why transition is so important and to manage it is you don't want to have a wasted year, a wasted term, or a wasted key stage. Currently right now, the Department for Education have just published a report about Key Stage 3 and have considered it the wasted years. What's come out of that is we've left the whole Key Stage pretty much unmanaged. Sorry, I've got a cold. Sorry. We've left the Key Stage pretty much not unmanaged. That's a pretty harsh term, but what would be the best term to use? Well, we haven't managed the transition very well, and we've left all of the responsibility to Key Stage 4, which is our GCSE years, and we put all of the effort into Key Stage 2, which are our SATs years. Whatever key stage you're in, whatever year you're in, you should always be bringing in a little bit of what they've done before and then preparing them for what they're about to go into. Don't just think, okay, this year's not important, they can deal with it next year, or it was dealt with the year before. You should always be bringing in a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and then that will ideally give you the best framework and the best mindset for your year. Transition isn't linear. It's not just this, this, this. It is a case of it's supposed to be fluid. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I would. No, that is no, that is pretty much it. No more views on transition. So yeah, cool.